Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials and taking your first actionable step. Update firmware and iOS, because battery behavior can be firmware-driven. Next, visually inspect the case and earbud contacts. Debris or lint can create uneven charging. Once done, perform a quick AirPods reset. Put both buds in the case, close lid, wait 30 seconds, open and hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes. This clears minor pairing issues that affect battery reporting. Now move into detailed execution. Charge both AirPods and the case to 100% and then use them until low to force battery percentage recalibration. Make sure you use the same audio profile and volume so results are comparable. While charging, carefully clean contacts with 70% plus isopropyl and a soft brush to remove corrosion or grime. Then swap earbuds between left and right ears and, if possible, another compatible case to determine whether the faster drain follows one bud. To finish, decide the fix path. If the same bud dies faster after swaps, it's a hardware issue. Request Apple service or replacement under warranty or paid repair if out of warranty. If behavior persisted only on one phone, reset network settings and forget the AirPods, then repair to rule out software glitches. Finally, test the pair with another device. If the problem disappears, the original phone or settings are the culprit. That single troubleshooting tip saves time and unnecessary repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.